Time to ask, how does the fable of Brand Fred inform the model of marketing effectiveness we described in an earlier class? Our advice: if you find models helpful, use it. It's a good one. If not, move on to the next class without shame or regret. The model begins with a brand, since our entire proposition is that to be effective, marketing must build value, and the value resides in a brand. It must all begin with a brand. Every brand has an owner. It is the owner's investment. An owner will seek to grow the value of investments. To grow the value of this investment, the owner of the asset will employ a manager. To grow an intangible asset, such as a brand, the owner will employ a marketer. We might choose to call this figure a brand manager. The marketer selects tools from the comprehensive range of the marketing toolkit and deploys them to build, influence, mold the perception of the brand, the value it is perceived to have for its customers, consumers, voters, donors, patients, etc., all the stakeholders in the brand. The task of the marketer is to ensure that the brand is perceived by its target audience as solving their daily problems, answering their needs, supplying their wants, better than any competing brand. If the brand is perceived as doing precisely that, then and only then will the brand be rewarded with the loyalty of the consumer, etc. The goal of the marketer is to secure loyalty to the brand, which in turn bestows value on the brand, and that value returns to the account of the owner. The owner of a brand with value has an asset which may be further built or turned to advantage in cash, votes, further donations, and other manifestations of the goodwill created by the marketer. The whole process is one continuum of marketing effectiveness, building brand value to the account of its owner. The fable of Fred encourages some refinement. First, a simplification. We reduce the various target stakeholder groups to just one, all described now as customers. A practitioner's objective is now simple: to cement customer loyalty to a brand. Second, we have learned to prioritize, to highlight the key tools in our marketing toolkit. The two essential P's of marketing, product and promotion. The model is elastic. It can, without strain, be adapted to identify Fred as creator and manager, and again to show Mrs. Fred as the recent owner-manager. But above all, we now locate the two master P's to the foreground in the effective practice of marketing. From this point in our narrative, the model dictates that the practitioner's task is to secure loyalty to a brand by using, without fail and on every occasion, the two master P's. We may use any or all of the other marketing tools, but the two must P's are always to be there in every marketing activity and on every occasion that we reach for the other tools in our bag. And so, with our priorities set, on to marketing at work.